The football family is mourning the loss of Liam Miller, who sadly passed away late on Friday night following a brave battle with cancer. Tributes have been pouring in for the ex-Celtic player, including touching words from Sir Alex Ferguson. "I am very sad to hear that Liam has died," the former Manchester United manager said. Celtic players stand for a minute's silence in memory of Miller. He added, "He was a good professional who served our club in an excellent manner. He was a quiet, unassuming young man and was popular with everyone at Carrington. On behalf of all my staff who worked with Liam at the time, we send our deepest sympathy to his family." United signed Miller from the Scottish outfit in 2004, though he enjoyed a loan stint at Leeds United during his Old Trafford spell, before completing a permanent deal with Sunderland, where he won the championship title in the 2006 7th campaign. Miller, who tragically died at 36, received tributes from his former clubs and teammates. "Our thoughts and condolences are with his family at this time.